Earn 5 KULA for completing the NFT social bounty. Hold at least 600 KULA tokens, and browse to the KULA NFT page on Rarible, through the following URL. Follow the page, and like at least one of the NFTs. Make a screenshot of the NFT you liked, as you will need it later. Once you have made your screenshot, log in to your ICO account, and go to the bounty section via the menu. Locate the KULA NFT bounty campaign, and click on Apply. Provide your username in the notes, add the screenshot, and click on Submit. Once you have successfully completed the bounty, 5 KULA tokens will be added to your KULA ICO account upon approval by Kulaplaza. Check out the other bounties to receive even more rewards.